Okay, today we're going to talk about lovage. You plant it once and it comes up every year, and unlike celery, when we hit a -8 degrees Fahrenheit in winter, it didn't die off. It came right back. So what can you do with this? Well, you can use it like celery because it's got a little bit stronger celery taste than regular celery, but it has a bunch of beneficial health benefits for women and basically for diuretics. So there's a lot of health benefits, and I'll go over that in the listed part of the video. Okay, before we get into this, let's talk about the little known ways to use lovage. Um, Basically, lovage is a perennial and it grows in zones 3 through 9. Okay, and it can get about 6 to 7 feet tall, and it's loaded with vitamin C and B vitamins. And of course, you can use the leaves and the stems and stuff and chop it up and put it in all kinds of stuff like soups and everything else. I'm going to skip the history of it. So here's a little recipe how to make lovage in potato soup. But you can use it for any type of dish. You can chop it up fresh and put it in your salads. And be aware that it has a much stronger taste than celery. It tastes a lot like celery, just a little stronger, so keep that in mind. And you can chop a stem and put it in your Bloody Mary. Now there's therapeutic uses of lovage. Lovage has been used in infusions, tinctures, detoxins, I guess that's what that is, vinegars, elixirs, lozenges, and bath and foot soaks. The one thing good about this is that the teas of the leaf and stalk were common and used for sore throat and tonsil problems, rheumatoid arthritis, jaundice, and for digestion issues. And the roots are used for salves in skin problems and put in bath water for aching joints or skin problems. Okay, now let's go over here. The thing that is most about this that you want to know about lovage is that it grows much faster and easier than celery. Tastes a little stronger than celery, so you can use it as a substitute, but it helps in your digestion and strengthens heart and is a respiratory aid. It can also be used as a diuretic to treat kidney stones and a blood purifier. It's traditionally used to treat gout, rheumatism, and skin problems. So, why would I grow this? Well, because I can just use it in salads like celery, or I can use it in my potato salads that I make with celery. Instead of the celery, I use this, and it's a lot more ready available, and it grows faster, and it comes up every year. And like I said, this actually survived the cold winter, and my celery did not this year. So I'm kind of behind the 8 ball on celery this year, but I've got this nice, almost 2 foot tall plant already that popped up and ready to use. And though I did save some celery, a big bag of celery for cooking and everything else this year, I did plant more celery, and that's in another video where I planted it. But lovage is a country cousin of parsley. It can be used much in the same way. It does have a very strong flavor, and for that reason it's been put in the back seat compared to parsley. But like I said, it has a stronger taste than celery. And there's numerous health benefits to eating this. Basically, this one for you ladies, menstrual support. Okay? And as a skin conditioner and an anti-inflammatory. So you chop some of this up, put it in your salad, or you put it in your soup, and it helps you with your arthritis and your joints, and helps your skin, and it also helps with the menstrual cycle. And lovage is probably best known as a digestive aid, relieving flatulence and other stomach discomfort. So there you go, folks. This is why you want to grow it. It grows a lot faster, a lot easier than celery. Has about the same taste, and you can use it in just about any type of food you want, or you can make yourself tinctures and go that route of making medicinal herbs, medicine out of it. So this is why I grow it. And you may think, well, I just saw your plant. It's only about 2 feet tall. It says it gets 6 to 7 feet tall. Well, guess what? That's about as high as it got last year when I started it from seed. Okay? I started my lovage from seed. So you get started now and get that growing, you probably could have a 2 foot, 3 foot bush by the end of the year. And plus you got a ready source of celery like stuff to use. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this valuable, and like, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up for me, please. Thank you.